Are you looking for the best small treadmills in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best small treadmills. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the NordicTrack T-Series treadmill. With many high-end features for hundreds of dollars less, this compact NordicTrack treadmill is a nice mid-range price option. It comes with 1 year of free access to iFit Live or on-demand workouts, but again, other consumers suggest that if you don't want to sign up, you may be able to bypass this during setup by holding down the iFit logo on the treadmill for 30 seconds. This model has a 10-inch HD touchscreen, 0 to 10% incline and 0 to 10 miles per hour speed range, and a space-efficient folding design. Julie D writes, "I'm an avid runner, who has run on many treadmills over the years, and this machine is awesome. It has all the features and feel of a gym machine, just not as bulky or expensive." Moving on at number 4, we have the 3G Cardio Pro Runner treadmill. This small treadmill has a stronger engine horsepower than most on this list and a 350-pound maximum user capacity. The console tracks your pace, speed, incline, and heart rate, with handle pulse monitors. The 3G Cardio treadmill also has a wide incline range of 0 to 15% and can speed up to 12 miles per hour. Susan E writes, "I wanted a treadmill that would hold up to the rigors of my marathon training." Ellipsis. The response is quick, increasing, decreasing, speed, incline. The length and width of the belt are great. At number 3, we have the Schwinn Fitness 810 treadmill. This sturdy treadmill supports up to 275 pounds, reportedly provides a smooth, quiet experience, and still folds up to slide under a piece of furniture. It also has integrated heart rate grips to monitor your beats per minute. Shoppers suggest the feature that really sets the Schwinn treadmill apart as its 50-plus pre-programmed adventure trails that allow you to explore destinations around the world, keeping you motivated and inspired. It also auto-adjusts in real time to your speed. As for the user experience, Alan writes, "I can't say enough about the comfort of this run deck. The hydraulic release takes its time coming down, but very nice mechanism. Very nice bounce-back running deck, I really love the feel." At number 2, we have the FYC 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. This lightweight treadmill from FYC comes in 3 different colors, so it may not be an eyesore even if you don't tuck it away. However, it does fold up to slide conveniently under furniture and can be used beneath a desk or with the support bar as a normal treadmill. This small treadmill reaches 7.5 miles per hour, and the rubber belt is wider than many other treadmills in this price range. PM Burke notes, "I chose this specific treadmill because it can be operated completely from the console without the remote, although it does have one. This is a huge advantage as many of the foldable or walking pad style treadmills operate by remote only, and once the remote dies, the treadmill is unusable." And finally at number 1, we have the Urevo Folding Treadmill. One of the highest rated compact treadmills on Amazon. This model uses an extra-wide, multi-layered tread belt for increased durability. The Urevo treadmill goes up to 7.5 miles per hour and supports up to 260 pounds. This company is also known for its customer service, an important detail when you're ordering things online. Gregory writes, "The customer service of the company is excellent. They responded to my email inquiries promptly and positively, in couple of days." Sick. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.